Creating an effective landing page is essential for capturing leads or driving specific actions from your website visitors. Here's a concise guide. Define your goal. Determine the main objective of your landing page. Are you collecting email signups, selling a product, or promoting an event? Audience research. Understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Tailor your message to resonate with them. Choose a platform. You can create landing pages using website builders like WordPress with plugins, dedicated landing page tools, or even through email marketing platforms. Design and layout. Keep the design clean and focused on your goal. Use a clear headline, compelling visuals, and concise copy. Ensure mobile responsiveness for a seamless experience on all devices. Form and fields. If collecting data, keep the form fields minimal to reduce friction. Ask for only essential information, such as name and email. Make the submission button stand out. Compelling copy. Write persuasive and concise copy that clearly explains the benefits of taking action. Use bullet points, headings, and subheadings to make the content scannable. Trust elements. Include trust-building elements like testimonials, reviews, trust badges, or privacy assurances to increase credibility. Call to action. Create a compelling CTA button with action-oriented text. Make it visually prominent. A/B testing. Experiment with different headlines, copy, visuals, and CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. Use A/B testing to refine your landing page. Analytics and tracking. Implement analytics tools to track visitor behavior and conversions. Monitor your landing page's performance and make data-driven improvements. Launch and promote. Once your landing page is ready, promote it through various channels, including email marketing, social media, and paid advertising. Optimize. Continuously optimize your landing page based on user feedback and performance data to improve conversion rates.